channel. My name is Kaya. For those of you that are new and viewing, today I'm installing this wig here from BeautyForeverHair. They sent over this little beautiful long highlight blonde and black chunky highlight unit. Is that the description we can give it? I think so. So let's go ahead and get started with the install. I think it came out great. I'm ready to show y'all. Let's go. So I went and curled the back of this wig off camera, and now I still have to do the top of it. So you guys saw me pluck it. I bleached it off camera, curled it off camera, but I still have the top part to style. And this is what the inside looks like. It's a full frontal 13 by 4, I believe. I think it's 13 by 4, or maybe 13 by 6. I'm not double sure. That looks like 4. I'm gonna give that a 4. So you can see like how it's bleached too, and the curls are very, very pretty. We have some highlight blonde towards the top and throughout the back as well. And this also comes with an elastic band attached. We love that. So I got my lace tint. This is the Ebon lace tint in the color medium brown. I'll just go ahead and tint the front part. I don't really care to tint the entire lace. I just make sure I get around the hairline. And you can see the difference with it tinted. Looks good. I put gloves on now because I just do not like having all that stuff all over my hands. I'm like a real crazy person when it comes to having dirty hands. I don't like it. So I'm just gonna let this dry down real quick. Definitely make this process faster with using a blow dryer, but I'm just doing it like this. Ooh, this is fitting really good. I like the fit that I feel. Like it feels real secure. So I'm gonna have to slide this back a little bit, pull that back down. I think I did a really good job plucking this wig out too, by the way. Okay, we'll do one of those quick installs today. The quick installs consist of, if you see me keep looking over here to this side, it's because I have a bigger mirror that I can see what I'm doing. So that's why I'm looking over there versus in the camera. And then I'm gonna cut these little sideburn pieces off before I spray on my holding spray. I don't want it to be too far down on my forehead. I think that's good enough. What y'all think? I think that's good. I don't want it to like minimize my forehead, you know what I mean? I think this is cute. I think that's a good spot right there. So I'll install the wig today using this Ebon Lace Bond spray. This one's in original, extra mega holds. Okay, let's see if it extra mega holds. Take your rat tail comb, push that hair back to ensure that you have no like flyaway hairs to get mixed in with the spray. I'll just go in and spray the rest of this actually. That should be good. I was real friendly with that. I was real generous. That's the word I'm looking for. Because then I sprayed that like crazy. Now we're gonna tie down my elastic band to hold this into place. While that dries down, we'll move on to curling the rest of my hair. I think I'm gonna do a side part. What style should I do? I think the side part would be cute, like a little deep little curved C that way, or this way. Oh, I think I'm gonna do it that way. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. And now we gotta part it. I gotta figure out where I want it. You know what? Let me go fix the lace first before I do all that. I got part of the hair curled. That's the good part. I'm gonna just spray it with a little holding spray. Let's move back into the lace. I try to make my parting space like close to the end of my brow, like the beginning, I guess, not the end. I just like where my parting space sits like that. But it's truly up to you. And then like sometimes I maneuver it a little bit more depending on where I'm trying to like sit my baby hairs or something. I feel like the hot comb, it is a process for sure. I might end up moving my parting space over. I gotta see what it's gonna look like because right now it looks like it's a little high up, or like it needs to be angled like that. I have more hair on one side. The trick to get this flat, of course, is to take it section by section, because sometimes you can't just get through like that one large chunk piece of hair. So if you take it little piece by little piece, you can really get those roots nice and flat like you intend for it to be. So okay, now let's take off this and hope for the best. Hope for the best. Y'all, what? You know, I might have a little hold on this wig thing. Just might have a little something going on up in this piece. Okay, now the only thing I think I want to do is possibly move my parting space. I think I want it over just a little bit. Not bad. Okay, let me add a little bit of product to my parting space just to kind of define it a little bit more. Alright guys, I think my hair is done. Let me zoom out so y'all can see the full vibe. Okay guys, so my hair is now finished. What do we think? I think it came out very cute. Very much so giving just like simple wear it wherever you are going type of wear. I love the side part of this little highlight chunky piece right there in the front. I think it's very cute. I think the entire look is giving. You guys gotta let me know what you think about it in the comment section. And of course, also, please, if you are looking for a unit like this, definitely check out the link in my description bar. You can check out Beauty Forever Hair and all of the units that they offer, guys. You definitely gotta look and check them out. But this one is a go in my book. If you're looking for a highlight frontal wig, definitely check out Beauty Forever Hair if you're looking for a unit like this. But that's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it, enjoyed it. I appreciate y'all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.